This client just moved houses and never got her systems for her makeup situation set up. This shows you if you do not have systems in place, it is just not going to work for anyone. Is make a home for everything, and it will bring so much order and peace and actually enjoyment in using the spaces and the things you have set up. So what we do is we start out with sorting buckets. We usually, if we're working in a room, we have a trash, donate, relocate, and a save bucket. Makeup's a little different. There's a lot of little pieces, just like when we did a sewing room for a client. There's a lot more categories, so we needed a lot more buckets. We just used what we had. So after you pull everything out, just go ahead and start sorting into light categories: tool section, brush section, product section, etc. I used old candle bases to categorize and keep my products and items easy to see, easy to reach, and easy to separate. We found a lot of lids. These can be used to hold bobby pins, Q-tips, all sorts of small items, but don't throw them away because you may need them when you're traveling. Caitlin, my cute little helper, held this up and said, I didn't know what category this went in. It's to put my blush on. So makeup can expire. It can get bacteria in it. So it's a good idea to I use a permanent marker and mark the date I open things. And I like to see how long it lasts, because if you buy expensive makeup, I can kind of justify by dividing out how many days I had it before I threw it away. Hey, this stuff only cost me a quarter a day. Totally worth it. I'm weird like that, but it is a good way to keep up with if it's super old or not. Okay, big secret coming up right here. So, hello, my name is Shyla. This is my space, and I'm a professional organizer. Ree, can you tell me how to put that cat eye on again? I need you to quit pooping in my floor, okay? Or you're getting kicked out. You're going to be a hobo cat. Why are there funky toenail clippers with eyelashes on them? All right, I think I should let the spider legs go that were attached to things that they shouldn't be. I can't believe I told you this was my space. It's embarrassing. So I actually sell makeup as well. And so I have a lot of tips and tricks to tell you on that. And if you will follow me on Wednesdays, I will be releasing a video once a week on the lifestyle part of my business. It might be a recipe, it might be makeup tips, it might be a bra replacement that I also sell. So follow along. But I will tell you what I use. The straight pin is to separate your clumpy eyelashes, but don't poke yourself in the eye. I've done it, and I wouldn't suggest it because you could get an eye infection or something. But I still am going to do it. This was my mom's jewelry box, and I opened it up and I was like, why does it have why is it dirty? And then I realized she had used it for her makeup. So it has shadow powder and lipstick powder in it. And I thought that was a brilliant idea. So I did use it like that for quite a little bit. And then I decided, you know what, my old system worked better, which is what I ended up doing at the end. And then I just ended up using this little jewelry box for my tools, like my tweezers, my scissors to get those old man eyebrows. It's a sad story. You get a certain age and you need a little scissors in your life and some tweezers. Anyway, so that's what I ended up using it for. So you just started putting things away, and sometimes, just like I did here, I decided, nope, I'm going back to how I used to have it, and it works better. You just got to play with it a little bit. So I'm just taking those little buckets of categorized items, and now I am placing them into their home. I have used this system in my other house for a long time and it worked great. I actually kept it really organized. Very rarely did I have to go back and refluff and take care of it. So we're just going back with some of those same ideas and it worked really good. And putting my makeup on is so much easier in the morning. I actually wear my prom makeup every day, and my kids say I need a make under instead of a makeover, but they know me and love me this way, so I'll probably finish out like this. Why stop now? So now I have my eyeliner in a category, eyebrow category, lip liner category, and lipstick. It is just so much easier to find things. Look at this thing. This is my travel bucket and it is disgusting. So I cleaned that up too. I had to stop and take a little lipstick break. Okay, so I had went and grabbed some vessels, my cute little cat coffee cups that I do like to drink out of. So I hated sacrificing this for, but I needed something to put my makeup brushes in. Just find whatever you can to get started and you can make it the exact thing you want later with the pretty buckets and all the matching things. Just function first, efficient first, pretty later. That's my goal. So here it is, all eyelashes in this drawer, little turny table that works great for that deeper drawer. I really didn't purge that much. Most of the time, just making a home and categorizing everything leaves you room to grow. Can you believe it? Please like and subscribe. I release a video on Wednesday and Fridays.